Good morning, guys. We are now in MECQ, in Metro Manila, and I think lots of provinces in the whole Philippines, And while we are on MECQ, well, actually, I've been doing a lots of training continuously because once you stop your training, your muscle will change, the flexibility, the strength, the power, and everything, and marami po yung mga mindset nila iba-iba. Pag sinabing uh, may ganitong age level ay retireable na sila, so they never do the training anymore. So nagde-deteriorate yung katawan nila and they cannot clean the toxic waste. So toxic waste or toxic of the body is very essential for anybody to clean it. Kailangan linisin mo yun. Pag napabayaan mo, then you will get weak, diabetic, rheumatism, arthritis, etc. And I just suggest one fruit that you have to search that on YouTube. Avocado is one of the best. Cleansing your kidney, cleansing your liver, and a lots of water. Sabi ni Dr. Ong sa YouTube, you have to drink 15 glasses of water. That is pertaining the kidney stone. Okay? So, why do we take good care of our health? Lalo na yung mga iba dyan, they have lots of money. Saan nang galing yung kanilang pera? So, that's a big question. Okay? So, mabuti dumating si President Rodrigo R. Duterte. Yeah. Kaya gaganda na pa ang Pilipinas. He is loved by 97 million Filipinos. Rating niya 94% out of 100. And we love our president. Nandito ako today. I have to show you a short demo for beginners, Basically, if you have the proper uniform in Karate Do, and even the other discipline of martial arts, And I'll show you how to wear. Duman ako sa white belt, sa yellow, green. Duman ako sa brown belt, black belt. And red, white belt, and I am now here in red belt. This is documented po. We have all the certificate from Grandmaster, who have issued this. I have all the evidence. So I'm ashamed na mag-wear ako ng ganito if you don't deserve it, And I would two times world champion in karate do. I have all the witness for that. It's a blood and sweat training because I trained this way back at my younger age. I was 10 years old before, And I really love, this is my passion, martial arts. I love martial arts. Okay? But bago din ako pumasok dito, at age 7, I play basketball. Okay? So basketball is one of my best sport. Hindi nyo na nakita yung mga galaw ko, but in Baguio City, Benguet Corporation, etc. You have seen how I play basketball. Okay? So anyway, this is really interesting. So guys, listen and watch carefully how to wear to beginners, how to wear to wear belt. Okay? So this is a belt and this is a proper folding of the belt. Bawal na inilalagay ang belt sa ganito pag you are in the tournament. Bawal po yun. Okay? So you have to hold it this way only before you put it on your bag and you bring it down. You walk it, take it out, you wear uniforms, and you wear this way. Okay? So bawal na sumasayad sa lupa ang belt. So how do you do? So simply, ilagay mo yan. So, hindi ako sumasayad because I'm doing this for many years. So, nandun siya, ini-roll nyo sa likod. This is the back side. Okay? So, then, put it this way. Okay? Yung isa nasa loob. Yan. Okay? This sa loob siya. Okay? So, narap yan. Then, isa, papatong sa ibabaw. Okay? Then, this right hand, ipasok mo sa ilalim. Okay? Then, simply pull it. Okay? Then, arrange at the back. Okay? Then, hold it firmly. Then, hold it again. And that is my belt. Okay? So, guys, siyempre, tuloy-tuloy ko na yung aking ginawa. Now, I have the belt, this belt of mine is, I stand firm, on my belt. Okay? So when I do the basic one killing blow of the punching, that's the punching. Okay? Punch. Okay? That's the slow motion. You punch it straight to the chest. You punch straight to the chest. Okay? So when you do the punching, just count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do side view. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then show on the right side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, guys, when you do the punching, there are 3 directions. The upper, the middle, the lower. Okay? So much for this. Now, I'll be going on the kicking technique. You have the thrust kick. Okay? Front kick or thrust kick, etc. Alright? Have to do 1, 2. Okay? Ha! 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Thrust kick. When you have an enemy attacking you on the right, attacking you on the left, can simply give side kick. Okay? Doing a side kick is powerful. Remember, when do leg press of 400 pounds, 500 pounds, you are powerful. You can kick and you can stop the heartbeat of any individual. Titigil ang pitik ng puso na masipa mo sa dibdib pag malakas ka sumipa. I think, sipa ng kabayo ang lakas ko. Alright. Side kick. Tighten ko ito. Susi niya. Okay? Naglulus siya. Alright. Sorry for that. To tighten this. Yes. Para matanggal sa shoes ko. It's hard to adjust. Yan. I'm adjusting. Okay? I'm adjusting. Alright. Okay. So I'm now doing the side kick. Okay. When you do the side kick position, okay, pag tumingin ang mata, tingin, hindi ka gumaganon. Don't twist your head. Just imagine Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee's eyes is very sharp. He looks on the left and on the right. Eyeball lang ang gumagalaw. I can see this. Switch. I can see the window. Remember, one single mistake will be the defeat of your fight. But again, because of your training, you're a fast mover. Timing, speed, technique, and power. Apat po yun. Now let's go on the side kick. Ready? You pull your up, then throw it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Bow. Hush. Okay, so much for this. We love you all. Bye-bye. Next time around, see you guys. Jet Squad. www.jetsquad.com. You can call me 0919440736. Globe 099591341109. This is yours, the president of Jet Squad School. Supreme Grandmaster Larry Pedroche, 10th degree red belt. Bye-bye. We love you all.